Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this little ring box and what you need to create that and what I did and how I mixed the colors and stuff. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in just a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be working on some Trinket boxes, but I just want to give a shout out to those folks at Total Boat who sent me a new batch of MakerPoxy by Just Crow, and it sent me a gallon size this time and some extra supplies for mixing, and going to be putting all this to good use, and thank you so much to them. If you're looking for a good resin for resin crafting, go check out totalboat.com. and check out all the different kinds of resins and craft products they have on their website. So today we're going to be working on a Trinket box, and this Trinket box came from Amazon, and it will be in my resin links in the description box below. But it comes with 3 different styles. We have a this little box here, which I think will make a really cute this little hexagon box. I think it will make a really cute bee themed box. We've got this little square one here, and like there's the box, and then this is the lid. They have kind of a beveled edge lids on them, and then there's the heart shaped, and that has like a little heart shaped beveled, so the top's kind of shaped like that. So not sure if I'm going to get to all 3 of them today, but I'm going to try and we'll see what happens. But for start off, we're going to start with this red one. sparkly. A lot of this has floated to the top, but that's really fine glitter, so not a big deal. I think this is going to be cute. Let's try demolding this bad boy. Cute. Look at all that sparkle. Oh wow, look at that. That is sparkly. And the cool thing about this is that if you fill this to just under this lip, you're going to have a flat surface that can slide off. But the thickness of that, if you fill it all the way up to the top edge instead of the bottom edge, then you get the little lip on your lid, and it should fit without sliding off. So that's really cute. I like that. So I think we're going to take this a step further, and I'm going to, even though it does have this little heart here, I did get some extra pores, and I'm thinking about putting a little knob. Actually, I don't think I'll use that, but we'll go ahead and demold it. I thought I might put like a little knob at the top, but I think I have a different idea for this box though. It's kind of cute though. Stuff is slick now. Nah, I don't think I'll use it this time, but that would be a cute idea for maybe the square box. But I did get some extra pores. And this is the first time I've used this little mold. I got this off of AliExpress. But it's got some little bat wings. I thought these might be cute. That's a pretty good little mold. These little things make good little earrings. Good size for earrings. And these are Sophie and Toffee, I believe. And this one I think was a Sophie and Toffee mold as well. Let's see about this one maybe. That might be a cute detail. A little three-dimensional heart on there. If I get it to stay. Yeah, I might actually use that one. That would be cute. Kind of a little three-dimensional jewel heart on the top. That'll be a cute little detail. So I've got lots of little pieces here. But I think I'm going to use that on there. Super cute. And then I think I'm going to make a ring box out of this. So we're going to add a little bit of something in the middle there to create a little ring box. Okay, so I just picked up this, this is a little piece of air conditioner weather stripping. It's like this foam piece that you can get at the hardware store pretty cheap, but you can use any kind of foam. So I'm just going to cut it down. It's a little tall, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it into shape first, I think. So I'm going to set it on top so that making sure that all the sides are covered. And then I'm going to squish it down to kind of make a little bit of a mark. You can kind of see my mark here. Okay. Just going to okay, I got a rough shape there. It should fit. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it down. To about right here. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Slide this down in there. All right. that looks pretty good. Now you could change the color of this if you wanted to by putting a little bit of fabric on top or a little bit of felt, but I think that's going to work for me. Last thing to do is to try to create a slit that is even side to side. Best I could. All right, now we've got a little slit in the box. We got room for our ring. Alright, so the last thing I got to do is glue that little thing on there, and honestly you can have enough to make a second one if you cut it carefully. But let's add a little bit of glue on this. Just a little. All right. And there's your ring box, ready for a little ring, and I really like how that turned out. You could put a little bit of felt on the bottom if you wanted to make it a little bit nicer, so lots of possibilities on that. It could just be a box for a necklace or trinkets or a little jewelry box or a gift box, so lots of uses for that, and definitely a easy spot to stick a ring if you wanted to, or you know, anything you want. So awesome, I like that. Cool. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.